In today's video, I want to mention 7 important tips that can help you to become a consistently profitable trader in 2024. Tip number 1, education. In trading and investing, education is the foundation of your success. Without education, you cannot become a successful trader, and trading is not an exception. And just like any other profession, you need education. And fortunately, nowadays, with availability of the internet, you can access to the vast amount of information and education for free. You don't necessarily need to pay for courses, seminars, or books, and with the available free information you can educate yourself to learn the basics. But only education is not enough, which brings us to the tip number 2, practice. At the same time that you're learning, you need to practice. Do you think you can become a professional driver with only education and not practicing? No, you can't. No profession or career is like this, and trading is also not an exception. You must sharpen your trading skills by trial and error, and you shouldn't expect other people to have all the answers for you. You must discover it yourself. You must experience the market, and you must embrace the fact that you're going to make mistakes, you're going to make losses, and exactly these mistakes and experiencing all the ups and downs of the market are the valuable opportunity for you to learn and develop your trading skills. Tip number 3, emotional control. Psychology in trading is a very important factor. Trading is not like gambling. You don't do it based on chance or luck, but you do it based on analyzing and understanding the market. But there is one thing that trading has in common with gambling, and that's how psychology plays a role in your trading decisions. Many of people who start trading, they have this mentality of making money as quickly as possible. This causes excessive self-confidence, which makes traders to forget the risk and make spontaneous trading decisions. And because they like to make big money, they open large positions without paying attention to the risk. On the other hand, we have traders who are not confident enough with their decisions and always are afraid to open a position, and they are always regretting for not entering a trade and missing the opportunities. Greed and fear are the other emotional challenges for traders. Greed shows up when the price moves in the expected direction and the trader is in profit, but the trader doesn't close the position on time because he or she wants to make more money and finally ends up with smaller profit or even no profit and loss, and regretting for not closing the position in a better price that was reached. And fear shows up when the price goes against an open position and the trader panics and rushes to close the position in a small profit or no profit and loss, but then the price starts to move in the direction that was expected, and the trader regretting for closing the position early and not allowing it to be open longer. Another dangerous emotion for traders is revenge and the desire to win back money. When traders lose money on a trade, they show up the desire to win back their money quickly, and this desire of taking revenge extremely affects their decision-making process, and they may end up several losing trades one after another. And on the other hand, also a trader may get caught in the fear of repetition of failures, and he or she may stop trading even if there are very good trading opportunities. So besides the education and developing and mastering your analytical skills, you also need to be aware of psychological factors that extremely affect your success. If you want to become a successful trader, you need to deal with your overconfidence and doubts, your greed and fear, and your desire to win back money. Tip number 4, risk management. Risk management is the other important factor to become a successful trader. You can never eliminate the risk. Risk is always part of your trading career, and you need to manage it properly. Even if you master analyzing the chart and have the best trading strategy, still there is a risk. You cannot win every trade, and for your losing trades, you must have a plan. You must have a strategy how you're going to manage them. I have a video about risk management strategy. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it so you learn how you can manage your risk. Tip number 5, continuous learning. As I explained earlier, learning and practicing are the foundation of your trading career, but it's not like you do it one time and done. No, you must continuously study and practice. Knowledge is power, and the more knowledge you have and the more practice and experience you gain, the better trader you become. Tip number 6, adaptability. Financial markets are one of the most dynamic entities. They are constantly changing because the market participants are constantly changing, because the factors affecting the markets are constantly changing. So if you want to stay in the game, you need to adapt to the current condition of the market, and this is possible only with ongoing study and education, which I mentioned earlier. Tip number 7, trading plan. Trading plan is a comprehensive and systematic decision-making approach for your trading activity. It defines what is supposed to be done, why, when, and how. It covers every aspect of trading from before taking a trading decision up to after the trading decision. education. Without a trading plan, you cannot succeed. I have a complete guide on this subject. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a trading plan, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.